50 million every month.
Chelly, my brother, you mean before you're not buying
General permanent cinema. Yes.
Anything less than 50 million every month, a man relocate by.
Okwa nnọrụ there, that is nnọrụ there ma ọrụ Adam sure na the investment ya na-enye minimum of 50 million every month.
My brother, somebody will quick case in a exaggerate. Realistically speaking,
Ka m gwa gị ka o si dị possible. Ọ dị very possible. It's an achievable dream. It's not ọ dịghọ vague. Ọ ihe dị achievable. Now let's take for instance, anụ m oge na-ekwu some ndị bar flight nwere ike bụ the last flight ha ya aba for the next 7-10 years, and that's the reality of obodo oyibo. Most times people na-efeel na ha ya anata ka mgbada ha 5 years mbute ike nnata. Most times ọ na-adịcha like that. So many things can make you stay longer than you planned. But the truth bụ ị plan onwe gị ọfụma. Do you understand? The more you make a big plan and big dream, right? The more you work, the more you plan, you move towards that dream. Even your dream at the age of 50 years, for instance. So depend the age in Obagoto obodo oyibo. When you go 40 before Obagoto, so okay, you only 10 years. See, at the age of 50, you need the bada by otu no city. And obodo oyibo na depend kwa no obodo no. And when they abo and ha na-aga obodo oyibo amakpuo all these Asian countries na-azụ onwe ha azụ. AJD ebugodo ụzọ tagodi ezigbo afọ first. Before itacha afọ ghọtagodi ihe na-eme ipechago 10 years there. Onwere adisi ebe abanye another country abụrụ problem. Mana ịga obodo oyibo enwe ihe bụ I advise people ịchọ ịga obodo oyibo gaa ọfụma. Emene na ịdị desperate because ịdị desperate ije maka ya one country ọ ya bụ ịnọrụzi a na-atụrụ gị ego iji nata. When some people may travel rapuru Nigeria, ebe ha nọ obodo ha nọ kita ha na-achọ otu a esiri eziri ha ego ka ha nata from obodo a ha nọ. So ọ bụghị obodo oyibo niile bụ obodo oyibo, and ọ bụghịkwa na Europe niile bụ Europe. People now and my phone, so many people about online saying I once saw Europe, ma kpọọ Europe, this one that. Ọ bụrụ Europe niile bụ Europe. Yotago onwe Europe ihe aga ịma nọ nwụdị a. Enwe Europe ihe aga ya anọcha 20 years onwebe nothing. Yotago. So o depend ịkwado onwe gị ọfụma je obodo oyibo, then i mee plan na onwe gị say within space of 10-15 years ka ị chọọ ịnọ. Or inwe ọbụna by your age, it's okay. Before on ruo so age, you need to na buy, and before you now buy, you make sure you solid investment. Abo ko iputa you save 100 million in a business. Open you save 100 million na business. If Nigeria happen to you, a guy a manzogi that 100 million a manzogi. The money can liquidate any time.
In a 100 million are enough for somebody to come back home and start life.
You can start life with even 50 million. But what I'm trying to say, if Nigeria happened to you, you will keep on your shop today, the next day, I say that build the on your shop at Bagoko. That's in main Lagos. All the mother can go after Habaroko like that. If you don't have good insurance for your business, and work at the buildings in Bagoko, or have somebody's negligence. Or you have somebody's mistake, the whole building in Muroko. Ngwafe gini no nwere 50 million or 100 million iji kpoye ngwafe ha ncha na dia ibidokwa na square one. That is why otu an nokita, no matter how much I have, the only buying and selling me bu supply. Mbubata afia abusa ya move kwa. Mmenwu business ikponye na shop na already atupu okwu na ele in our country. I can do it any other place, man. If obodai mmenwu business ibi akpoya afa na efia na ele afia na shop, I cannot do it. Two businesses, majorly three or two businesses in three. One bu supplies. Idine ebubata container. Ibubata ngwa afia. People like go afia, you move kwa narrow your cash, you move. That is number one. Number two, production. Inwe factory, eba na production, no matter how small, you na produce today. You are certain that na within space of few years, you will begin to see reasonable profit from that production. Anything in our producer at all. because Nigeria na-eme most things a na-use na Nigeria na-eme import. So in where the mind establish a manufacturing company, no matter what you are manufacturing, you are going to survive it. And from day one, we made the plan. You made plan, you are not relying on our electricity because all quadro. All nepa ya pia wago gas. So you get make good sure now from beginning. You make plan for solar. You all got a one-off investment, a one-off expenses. Man, you made that in expenses. May establish or brew solar. Your plants are now run on solar. My brother, you man with problem. So by the time you were those investment, we had a manufacturing firm like 3-4 places. You are comfortable in Agodo Budai, Ago Amambugi. And when somebody the person na run a poultry farm, or they less than 15 million every month after expenses.
Na onya no Nigeria.
Yes.
Every month only 15 million naira.
Yes, every month. You only make a poultry farm. Only massive poultry. Only yours on a poultry farm called name. You understand? So in when such business, such investment, when you are like 2 places, then when you a manufacturing firm, a manufacturing plant, or block industry somewhere in a developing area. He establish 3 businesses or 4 businesses that will be giving you between 15 to 20 million every month. It's comfortable. General. And some of those businesses are brought in from small scale. Before you know it, it will graduate. It will grow. But he may be he will 100 million. He rent a shop na Lagos. My brother, if Nigeria happened to you, even there is no business that does not have disadvantage, or even the poultry farm with disadvantage. Manichi may of ma. So that if a veterinary doctor, yana those beds. Do you understand me?